So you should have this paper and then a packet that looks like this that goes with it. Each table is numbered 1 through 12. So to find our first point, we are going to first write our function here. And then if x is 0, I've given you your values for x on all of the tables. All you're doing is filling them in where x is and solving. So if x is 0, we put 0 in x's spot. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2 because absolute values are always positive. So we have positive 2 minus 4, so y equals negative 2. So we've graphed that point here. If x is 1, y equals the absolute value of 1 minus 2. And then we have minus 4 on the end. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, so we have the absolute value of negative 1. Minus 4, the absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1, so we have positive 1 minus 4, so y equals 1 minus 4. Y equals negative 3. So my next point is going to be when x is 1 and y is negative 3. So x is 1, y is negative 3. If x is 2, y equals the absolute value of 2 minus 2. And then we have minus 4 on the end. 2 minus 2 is 0, so y equals the absolute value of 0 minus 4. The absolute value of 0 is 0 minus 4, so y equals negative 4. So my next ordered pair is 2, negative 4. So I'm going to plot that over 2 down to negative 4, put a dot. If x is 3, y equals the absolute value of 3 minus 2 minus 4. Y equals 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have y equals the absolute value of 1, which is 1 minus 4. So y equals negative 3. So our next point is 3, negative 3. So we're going to go over to 3, down to negative 3, and put a dot. Notice my graph is starting to come back this way. Y equals the absolute value of if x is 4, minus 2, minus 4. Y equals 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 4. The absolute value of 2 is 2. Minus 4 is going to give us y equals negative 2. So my next point is 4, negative 2. So I'm going to go over to 4, down 2, and put a dot. So our absolute value graph looks like this. So you're going to follow those steps on the next 11 problems on your own.